In today's video, I'm bringing you guys here a huge airdrop coming for Juno, which is only one Juno, which is around $42 at the moment. So you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, and if you guys love crypto videos, leave a like, subscribe, put that notification bell so you guys can keep up to date with the best crypto videos. And if you guys love crypto passive income, airdrop alerts, altcoin alerts, I have a 100% free Discord that you guys can join in the pinned comment description below. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this huge airdrop that is still in play. You guys can still get in because they still haven't announced the snapshot and all that stuff, which is basically the deadline to get in. And I'm going to explain this airdrop. Some people are saying that this airdrop could be worth around 20k, which is just crazy, right? But it happened before. There were past airdrops that were worth around 20k. This video is not financial advice. This is only for educational purposes only, so please do your own research before doing any of this. So basically, decentralized name service put out this tweet, and they said there are plans for a name drop to name holders, details and distribution coming in name paper later. And right here they're just talking about they don't have an exact date, but the snapshot is basically coming soon. They're gonna announce when it is. And basically, to be able to get to this airdrop, all you guys got to do is get a name service on their website, which is this one right here. Make sure you click the right one. I'm gonna leave the official link to their Twitter and also to the website, but make sure it is this one. You click on it right here, which is their official Twitter, and it should say dens.sh. And basically all this is you're getting a domain name, which is only one Juno, which is around $40 at the moment, right? So it's not crazy expensive. And with that, you participate in this airdrop and you get this domain name. Now, if you guys don't know how to buy Juno, how to stake it, how to get it on your Kepler wallets, which I have mine right here, you guys want to watch my video, I'll leave it right here in the cards. You guys can watch my video that I made on how to buy Juno. There's only one way, and it's through osmosis, okay? If you guys still don't know how to use that, check my video up there. But here in the video, I'm actually going to do it in real time, buying a decentralized name service here so you guys can see how to do it. Okay, I already know how to do it, but I'm going to do it here in live time so you guys can check it out. So what you guys want to do is here at the top right, you guys see where it says connect wallet. You want to connect your Kepler wallet. Make sure you're already logged into your Kepler wallet. So boom, I just approved it. So now obviously the charge for this is one Juno. So make sure you got one Juno that is not being staked in your Kepler wallet for the Juno network. So after you got that one Juno, click right here on register. And now we're going to check if your name's available. So obviously for me, it's going to be Sir Lewis. One thing too is that you can't have spaces. So like right here, if I put spaces, it's going to put it like that. And you can't like capitalize. So basically got to be no spaces and all in lower caps. So I'm going to put Sir Lewis, and hopefully, yes, it's available. So next thing you guys got to do is mint your new ID. Okay, mint your new ID. It tells you right here the mint cost for this token is one Juno. And then right here, this is all optional. You can put your name. I'm just going to put Sir Lewis. Okay, you could put your bio, email, website. You don't really have to put all this. I just put here my Twitter and Discord right here. So all you guys got to do next is create your name. Make sure it's the one that you guys want. Then it's going to pop up right here on Kepler. And all you guys got to do is pay that little gas fee. I just press confirmed. And then boom, awesome. Right there. I just got it. Okay, I'm part of the airdrop now. I just got it right here. And what's awesome too is that now on your Kepler wallet, it will say your name right here, Sir Lewis, right? So that's pretty awesome. That's basically it, guys. That's all you have to do to participate in this airdrop. And again, this can be a huge airdrop, so take advantage of this. Obviously not financial advice. Do your own research as well. If you guys love airdrop alerts and just crypto passive income in general, join my Invest to Rest Club, 100% free Discord. I'm just trying to grow the community organically and just have a really fun community that just loves crypto in general. So join it. Thank you guys again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.